Hi friends, welcome back to the Drawing Express. So today we are going to learn the E blends. That is, we are going to blend the Uyir E, okay, with all the Mei Ezhuthukal and then see how to make the Uyir Mei Ezhuthu, okay. So this is the maathirai that we have to use for E, okay. What is this? It's like falling down. Can you see this E letter? A simple way to remember this is for this E, it falls down, right? Similarly, this shape also falls down. So it's very simple. Whichever letter you want to sound with an E sound, you're going to put this on top of that letter, okay? And as you can see, ka, nga, cha, nya, da, na, tha, na, pa, ma, ya. These letters are here, right? So how do we write this letter on the top? Very simple. And I also will give you a single tip, okay? Normally, when we are writing Tamil letters, okay, people say this as the mook or the nose of the letter. Okay, so every letter is having a nose. So never touch start this maathirai from the nose of the letter. Okay, every letter should have a nose. So leave that nose and go back to the junction. Okay, so from there you start the letter and then you go down. Okay, and I call an extra fitting for every letter as a hand. For example, this nga will be having a separate hand, okay? And this va will be having a separate hand kind of thing, okay? So whenever, and this ya is having a separate, okay? There's no muk there, right? So if there's no muk, let's assume that it's like a hand, okay? So in that case, you have to bump this letter and then you have to make it fall down. Can you see? This pa is there. You can't just put it straight like that. You have to bump it and then bring it down. So that's the only tip that you'll have to understand. And for D, this is a special letter because you're not going to fall it. It's like turning down. So now let's read these letters. Ki, ni, chi, ni, di, ni, ti, ni, pi, mi, yi, ri, li, vi, ri, li, ri, ni. Okay? So keep practicing. See you again in the next episode. Bye, and don't forget to subscribe the Drawing Express. Okay? And naliki paakalam. Okay? Bye-bye.